Hey guys, what is going on? So today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 10 battery case. It's not Apple's official battery case, but it's one that I just found on eBay because I was really interested on it. And I have no idea why Apple did not make their own, because everyone wants one. Literally, a lot of people in the comments are like, yo, why did Apple not make an iPhone 10 battery case? I have no idea. It's literally pretty much the exact same size as an iPhone 6, and I don't know why they didn't just make one for the iPhone 10, because I think that would have been a really popular accessory for the iPhone 10. I probably would have got one as well. This is the best thing we got so far. I got it on eBay. I'm pretty sure it's around $20, so it's really cheap. I don't know if it's going to be garbage. I don't know if it's going to be good, but that's why we are unboxing it today. Alright guys, so here it is right here. So far, this thing looks really cheap. Let me tell you that right now, guys. So yeah, pretty much just this battery case. This is the 6,000 milliamp hour one. That's about 2.5 times you can charge your phone to 100%. About around 2.5 times, not exactly, but where is my knife? We are gonna be using a lighter, boys. No, we're not gonna do that. My Apple Watch band, that's what we're gonna use to open this box. Hopefully I don't break it, because this thing's like really expensive. There we go. Come on. There we go. It's not broken, guys. All right, so on the back it says battery case, and I'm pretty sure if someone can translate that really quick, if any of you guys know Chinese or Japanese, I'm pretty sure that's Chinese. I'm pretty sure that says battery case, but if you know Chinese, let me know what that says in the comments below. Most of the instructions and the specs are in Chinese. When we pull it out, there is a little scuff on it already, as you guys can see right there. It just rubs off though, so that's good. And then nothing in here. And then we got the case right here, guys. It smells like a battery. Okay, and then you open this thing and then you get instructions. Don't know why you would need instructions for a case, but actually I can see why. You just should like power it on and stuff. Okay, so it's in Chinese, so I can't read it. But here's a case, guys. It actually looks, honestly, it looks pretty nice, to be honest with you guys. I'm gonna put my phone in it right now. Oh, okay, so the manual is actually on the case. That's kind of weird. It's not even a sticker. It's literally like printed on the case, as you guys can see that right there. To install your battery case, gently slide your phone. Okay, cool. And okay, when removing your phone, don't lean it forward at a big angle. The angle between the phone and the battery case should not be more than 30 degrees. This might damage the connector instead of removing it upwards. Okay, so it's pretty much saying don't go like this too much, because it'll probably break the connector, which is, I could see why. This battery case is compatible with magnetic mounts. So if you guys haven't seen that video, I've done a couple of videos ago. I did a magnetic mount unboxing and review. It was pretty sick. I use it still right now. As you can see, I have the metal thing, or the magnetic like thing that I put in my case, and it works. I use it pretty much every single day, guys. So yeah, I really do recommend it. But this case right here, guys, it has a magnet already in it, so I can literally just set it on there. So that's really cool. Even though my phone's gonna be charging in my car anyways, but that's still cool. All right, guys, so what we got on the back here is they do not provide a USB cable for it. As you can see, it is a micro SIM cable, and there's not a cable in here, so that's kind of inconvenient. So I have to get my own. Are you serious, dude? No wonder it's $20. Okay, fine. I'll get my own. Okay, so there is a little button right here. I'm pretty sure that indicates how much battery is in it. As you can see right there, there's 3 out of 4 dots in there lighting up, so I'm guessing it's already charged, so that's really nice. I just slide it in there, I'm pretty sure. That's pretty much what I do, I'm pretty sure. And it's already charging, look at that, guys. Obviously, this thing is a thick boy. That thing's about an inch, I would say. It's honestly really thick. Get it thinner up top. I don't really know why they did that, but I like it, I guess. This is 6,000 milliamp hours, so I could see why it's honestly that. I can see why it's that thick, to be honest, guys. Look at that. That is so thick compared to this guy. Look at that. It's not, I mean, it's like 2 of these or something like that, but let me tell you guys, this thing is really heavy. A thing that I do like about it as well, they have ports for the speaker and the microphone right there, so that's really nice that you can hear your audio nice and clearly, not all muffled. So yeah, those are going straight that way. But yeah, guys, I actually like it. It's a really nice case, 6,000 milliamp hours. So the protection on it, honestly, it's really thin on the top, as you can see that right there, guys. If you lay it down on the surface like that, your screen is going to be touching. There is no lip like this case right here that protects the screen like that. So yeah, this one literally does not have a lip on your screen. So for max protection, I'll put a screen protector on there just so your screen doesn't get scratched up like crazy when you put it down like that. Yeah guys, it honestly feels like I'm holding a computer. Thick wise, like this is probably as thick as my computer. It's thick. The quality is honestly pretty good for only $20. The buttons are pretty easy to press. I would give it like a 6 or 7 easy to press button category rating. They're plastic buttons, they're not bad, but they could be a little bit better if they tried harder on it. But for $22, guys, I would say this is well worth your money, honestly. It's a really, like the quality wise, it's really good. And just the fact that it's 6,000 milliamp hours is insane. So if you're an incredible phone user, use your phone all the freaking time, definitely recommend this case because you're not gonna have to charge it for a while, guys. Let me tell you that. Just for like the price and the quality that it is, probably like an 8, honestly, guys, because I thought it was gonna be a lot worse quality, but it's actually pretty decent quality, and I definitely recommend it. So yeah, guys, you can find this on eBay or Amazon. I'm pretty sure they have it on Amazon as well. I'll put the link to this in the description below if you guys want to cop it. Really cheap. If you just want to try it out, it's only $20. It's not that expensive. If Apple made it, it'll probably be like near 100, a little bit over $100 probably. So if you just want to try out a battery case for, I don't know, just for fun, try this guy out, guys. If you guys like this video, please drop a like and subscribe, guys. You guys are the freaking best. Let's go, guys. I don't know why I said that, but you guys are the best. Appreciate all the support and the comments and the likes and everything like that, guys. Almost at 800, kind of. We're just rolling, guys. We are rolling into 2018. Let's get it, guys. But yeah, desk video coming soon. You guys already know. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. See you guys later. Peace.